Hey guys, if you got one of those gas powered flame heaters on your patio and you can't get it to light, just go ahead and buy this whole kit. It's a refurb kit with all the guts and everything you need to replace it. This design does have the 7 holes for it. It does have some screws and stuff. I'm gonna go install it and show you how great it works. This is my old unit. I already unscrewed the part that's not working. So it's for this style heater. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the new part here. So the bolt holes didn't really meet up, so I had to take this top heat deflector off and the tube out, so then I could put these. They come with like these little, I don't know if you can see them up in there, but these little legs to bolt them up there. All right guys, so that did the trick. This thing, I've been having problems with this whole setup, and I bought this replacement kit. You can see it's freaking, it is cranking out the heat, guys. So if you guys want to bring back the life in your outdoor flame heater like this, go ahead and get this replacement kit right here. It's all in one. It did take a little bit of work because this one comes with studs. I don't know if you can see it in there, but it drops it down a little bit further than the original one does, which is fine because it makes it easier to get to these controls and also provides more airflow in there. So if you guys need to revamp your heater, go ahead and get this. Thanks.